Create grid for project. If you open Tekla structure, you will get it like this rectangular grid default. You can customize this grid. Select the grid, then go to the properties. You will get it the grid properties. Now go to the PDF. You can see the grid and all. You can see here this is X direction. Here it is Y direction. X direction, each grid between distance 10,000 millimeter. Here it is Y direction 20,000 millimeter. First we need to make it this. You can see here this is a grid naming A B C D like that. Here it is A1 2 3 like that. So first go to here. This is X direction. We have 7 grid, means we have spacing 6 spacing. So now go to the Tekla structure, make it, delete this all the things, then make it here 6 spacing, then star 10,000, then enter. So X direction it is created. Then Y direction we have 2 grid, the 2 grid in between distance 20,000, enter. Now X and Y finished. Next one Z direction. If you go to this one, you can see here 0 elevation. Here it is 7,000, 9165. Then here it is 10,000 elevation. Now go to the Tekla structure, make it this one 7,000 elevation, then 9135. We can check that one 9165. Next one 10,000, 9165. Next one 10,000, then enter. So here it is placed. Same like that we need to make changes in this also. You can see here up to D we have E F G. We need to make it X direction E F space G. All the letters in between we need to make it gap. The next one, once you done, simply enter, or you can make it, click this modify, it will modify. Here it is enter, here it is finish. Next 1 2 3, here also it is created perfectly. Y direction. Next one Z direction, make it first level 0, next level 7,000, next level make it 9,165, then give you a space 10,000, make it plus symbol also. So now these all the levels we finished: 7,000, 9165, 10,000. Then other all the thing keep as it is. Now just go to the view, then go to the view list. Here it is empty. Double click outside, you can change the name, you can make it 3D or you can make it isometric view, whatever you want you can make it. Then modify, here it is, change the name. Next select this grid, then go to the view, then go to the new view, select here along grid lines, then create and click OK. Here all the views are created. Now I just close this one. So this is the way you can create grid for this project.